Hello, Ghana. We are Zordede Borborbor Group. We hail from Awudome Chito under the Awudome Traditional Council, led by Togbega Adai Kosi the 13th, and our local leadership guided by Togbe Gobodake the 12th, Tufia of Chito Awudome. Our community is known for farming, and we are proud descendants of our great ancestors who are warriors and therefore are known for their bravery. We would like to acknowledge our CEO, Mr. Michael Kuma, and also Dr. Gali Peter, manager of Rans Hotel, for their impact in our culture and community.
Zordede Borborbor Group was founded in the year 2025 by Mr. Elvis Akpai. Our main goal is preserving and promoting Borborbor culture worldwide. Funds raised from our performances are used to support group members in times of need and to promote community development.
Awudomiawe, Ghana to, vote at all. We are calling on you to vote for us and help us win the 2026 Borborbor Carnival. Your help and support will go a long way to help us. Thank you very much. God bless you. Zordede. Zordede. Akpenami.